hard time finding like more current data about the Flint water crisis. The general consensus that I found was that the lead is within safe drinking levels, but people still don't trust the tap water and what the city did to them, and so they're still drinking lots of bottled water, which made me start thinking about Nestle and them getting water from Michigan, and then people having to buy that bottled water. And also with the readings, I thought one thing that really stood out to me was about using a social justice context, was you want to make the context fit the math and not the math fit the context. And I'm not sure if I said that backwards, but basically you want to start with a math goal and then find a context that will match your math goal versus already starting with the context and then trying to figure out the math, because either way you do it, you're going to lose some of the math content. And I feel like that's something that I struggle with making these posters, is trying to get math content to already match the topic. And this week I ended up going a different approach than I thought I would. So if you read up top there, you'll see some of the background info that I used to calculate how much a household in Flint will use to pay water versus Nestle. And so I ended up doing systems of equations, which I originally wasn't planning on doing. Originally I just wanted to make the equations to model the math, which was one of my goals, so make real life equations and model math. So I used to find the amount per month that Nestle pays Michigan, the bottle of water plus their one-time application fee to bottle from the springs. And then I did the conservative estimate for one household, which will be paying $120 per month for water. The upper end was $200 a month. So one thing I did was like setting the equations to equal each other to solve for when both will be paying the same amount of money per month. And then I also graphed it. And so it's about, just after 48 months, so just after 4 years. And then I also did calculations that were a bit more simpler, so using unit conversions was also one of my goals, which is the original one, which is a bit less advanced. My other one is a bit more advanced.